Good morning, everyone. Today we're taking a quick stroll through one of Sydney's most iconic spots, the Saturday Kirribilli Markets. Located right in the heart of Kirribilli, these markets are a true treasure trove. As we walk, you'll see a fantastic array of wonderful and unique stalls, offering everything from handmade crafts to vintage finds, often at surprisingly great prices. Can you smell that? The air is filled with the scent of delicious food. There are plenty of options to choose from, perfect for a quick snack or a leisurely lunch with a view of the harbour. Before we continue our walk, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future market adventures. Also, I'd love to hear about the best markets in your area in the comments below.
I show you a couple of photos pictures from those.
Yeah.
We've added 20 grams of raw sugar on a 750ml bottle, but if you don't like sugar, you can add honey. And you can have a hot and cold.
That wraps up our quick visit to the Kirribilli Markets. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the little tour. Be watchful for our next video, which is coming out very soon. While you're waiting for the next upload, feel free to check out some of the other videos we have on the channel right here. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, please remember to give this video a like and of course subscribe to the channel so you can join us on our next adventure. See you next time.